Mm, uh, I'm here to explain with you how mobile banking management system works using USSD code and to explain with you the logic behind how it works. First, we need the more functions. One function is called the deposit function. This function allow you to enter the amount and use the system cross to hide what you have done and to deal with what you have reached to do. Then we validate the amount you need to deposit. If the amount is less than or equal to zero or the amount is greater than 2 millions, you can display the invalid amount. Else, you check the balance equal to the balance plus the amount you have been deposited and show the amount and balance you have. Another function is called check balance. This check balance require you to enter the pin and validate it. If the pin is correct, display the balance. Else will display invalid pin. Other function is called by. This function we have other menu uh, like buy airtime, buy electricity, pay water bills, or back to main menu. And we need other function called send money. This send money function help you to send the or allow you to send money with your colleagues or your friends. This function request you to enter the receiver phone or and the amount you need to send to him or her. Then you enter the amount and the phone number and validate the amount. If the amount is lesser than zero or the amount greater than the balance, we will display the insufficient fund. Else, we validate the PIN and the balance will equal to the balance minus the amount you have been sent and display the amount you sent and the balance. The function you need here is the function of withdraw. This function allow you to enter the amount you need to withdraw and validate it. If the amount is lesser than zero or greater than the balance, we display the invalid amount and validate the PIN is else we validate the pin, we enter the pin and validate the pin. If the pin is correct, balance will equal to the balance minus the amount you have been withdrawn. And the display function, this function allow you to store or yes to store the what you have done on your mobile banking management system. Then in the main function, we need to enter the USSD code, and the USSD code is equal to this. Then we deal with the main menu and code the function we have done in the above, correct deposit, check balance, buy, and the other function. Let's run this program and see what you have been seeing. We need to enter the USSD. Enter. Then the output is deposit money, check balance, buy services, send money, withdraw the money, display history, and exit. Once you need to deposit money, press 1. Enter the amount you need to deposit, 1,000, 10,000, and then show the output. Once you need to check the balance, press 2. Cut the pin. The pin was created on the file. I have been told you. Then enter. Show the output. Then you need to buy. 3. Buy airtime. Buy yourself. Enter the amount you need to buy. Enter the pin. Then show the output. And you need to back to the main menu. Then you need to display all the history. Press 6 and enter the pin. then they show you the output. Once you need to exit, press 7 and show this output code. Thank you for using Airtel Money or mobile banking management system. Thank you.